Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Tutorials. My name is Ghost, and I'm really rushing this video because I am already on the qualification mode, and it's very seldom that we do get some of this hits available to us. So it is Remove Defect Video Channels. The choices will be detrimental content that should be excluded are the following: adult and racy, shocking, guns, weapons, foreign languages, non-English, foreign content, advertising, promotional, close-up views of scary animals such as insects, prank videos, violent gaming, and drugs. So for this one, the channel here, it's a YouTube channel. I do not see the video. What you could do is you could just click it, just like so. You don't see anything. There's no problem with this page, so it'll be no detrimental content. Let's close out of that. It's too noisy. Moving on to the next hit. Let's pull it up. It's taking a while. You can click on the link here for you to pull it up on a separate window. It's Ghost in the City Crystal Method. This is a zonk, so it'll be considered as no detrimental content. Submit it. Moving on to the next hit is this. So pull it up. This one is Cash Cash Party in Your Bedroom is the video. It's not adult. Uh, so that has no issue. So it'll be no detrimental content. Again, detrimental content will be the following: adults and racy, frightening, violent, guns and weapons, foreign language, foreign content that is not related to USA. No, these are stops that are somewhat in English, but the person on the video is not an American. I it sounds kind of racist, but I do apologize. But that's how I would define it. Advertising promotional videos that should be really easy to understand. Icky stuff, close up views of scary animals like insects again, unpleasant prank videos, violent gaming, drugs, other detrimental content. I'm not sure what that is. You can pull up the guidelines. What else do we have? Channel is inactive. It's if it's not displaying. So for this channel, music praise totally that's not detrimental and does not have a detrimental content. And for this one, WD Gaster. No detrimental content as well. Now, sometimes you will see a message saying that you are correct. Sometimes you won't see it. But if you are able to continue working on it, it means your spam accuracy is still okay. So this one is good. No detrimental content. So just submit it. Um, this is the video. I'm at 84%. Oh no. Yeah, I think so. But let me refresh this one. Removed. I'm 74 at 83% spam accuracy. I'm still on it. I have no time limit. Um, this is not no. This is there is no detrimental here or detrimental content. So just choose no detrimental. You see how easy it is to work with, but sometimes it'll be confusing, especially during the qualification round. So Nikki tutorials, full face viral TikTok makeup, so that has no detrimental content. Or if the video is like this, usually it'll be a promotional video, but for this one it isn't. So no detrimental content at all. For this one, it's an Instagram website. Those are cute doggies, so it's no detrimental content as well. Moving on to the next hit. I clicked on it because it's taking a while to load. These are your games. Most likely no detrimental content here. So just click submit. Let me close out of that. Go back to the next hit. I hope we get something else. Wide awake, no detrimental content. This music video, it should be fine. Next one is this grass. So that is going to be frightening and violent. I'm sorry, crazy animals. Moving on to the next hit. That's a review about 2021 Suzuki Hayabusa. That's definitely no detrimental content. Moving on to the next robot nest. Let's pull up the Instagram account. Uh, Nothing detrimental. So just like so. So that's how you work on this particular hit. Again, it is called Remove Defect Video Channels. Um, you have a guideline here. I did not pull it up. I mean, I don't need it. I mean, just reading from these stuffs here makes me understood what needs to be done on this particular hit. But if you are too confused on how to work on it, please feel free to open the guidelines. Again, my name is Ghost, and I am the admin for ClickWorker Philippines. I'm sorry if I'm rushing the video. I am working on this one. I have a 100 USD target for this week. I'm only at 55, so I do apologize if it's a really quick and short video. Again, our Facebook group is ClickWorker Philippines. You have to subscribe to the channel first before we can welcome you there, and of course, answer the relevant questions. I hope this video helps you out and gave you that idea on how to work on such a particular hit app. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Spread the word that we do exist, um, to show your support to our community. Thank you and have a good day. Bye.